Zoho Creator Honest Review, watch before using. If you're considering Zoho Creator, this review will save you time and help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. Zoho Creator is a low-code app development platform designed to help businesses build custom applications without the need for extensive coding knowledge. It's perfect. It's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses and entrepreneurs who need to streamline their operations by creating tailored solutions such as CRM systems, project management tools, inventory trackers, or employee portals, all without hiring a full development team. What makes Zoho Creator stand out is its drag-and-drop interface combined with powerful back-end automation features. You can create forms, dashboards, and workflows with ease. Plus, it offers pre-built templates for various industries like retail, logistics, healthcare, and education, which is a huge time saver if you don't want to start from scratch. But the real power lies in its deluge scripting language, a simple code that allows you to add complex automation to your apps. It's perfect for users with minimal coding experience but still want advanced functionalities. One of Zoho Creator's strongest points is its integration with other Zoho apps like Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, and Zoho Desk, as well as third-party services like Google Workspace, Zapier, and PayPal. This makes it highly versatile for businesses looking to centralize their workflows. Additionally, the platform is cloud-based, meaning your apps are accessible from any device, and it even offers native mobile apps for Android and iOS, a crucial feature if your team works remotely or on the go. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Zoho Creator has a steep learning curve, especially if you're completely new to app development or automation. While it's marketed as low-code, you'll likely need to spend time learning deluge scripting to unlock its full potential. Some users have also reported that the UI feels outdated compared to more modern platforms, and customer support can be hit or miss, depending on your location and plan. Pricing is another point to consider. Zoho Creator isn't the cheapest option, especially if you need multiple users or advanced integrations. But compared to hiring a full development team, it's still a cost-effective solution for many businesses. In conclusion, Zoho Creator is ideal for businesses that need custom solutions but lack the budget or expertise to hire developers. If you're willing to invest time in learning the platform, it can be a game changer for your workflow. But if you're looking for a truly plug-and-play experience, you might need to look elsewhere.